Okay, so for this limit, you might first try to do a direct substitution, because for me, I always try really quickly to see if that would work. If I plug in 3 right off the bat, I get 3 minus 3 over 3 squared minus 9. That's 0 over 0. So I know I can't use direct substitution, and since I ask you to find the exact limit and not an approximation, we're going to need to use some kind of an algebraic approach. The algebraic approach we'll probably need to use here, which seems maybe obvious to some of you, would be to factor. So the numerator is already factored as much as it can be, but the denominator, we see a difference of squares. And when we factor that, we get that giant 1, which is really helpful. So now we have a limit that is just 1 over x plus 3. And now you can go ahead and take that 3 and replace all your x's with it. So it'd be 1 over 3 plus 3, which is 1/6. So that limit is 1/6.